I need to go find more health fast. I like that you vault. That's quite a nice touch I didn't know about yet. More health, please. Yes. Ammo maxed out. Nothing. Health. Armor. Health. Oh, I'm not gonna make it to get up to 250. I want to get to 250 already. Oh my gosh, I could get it up to 250, but I need to find some health fast. Yeah, okay, he's down. Health. Oh, I ain't gonna do it now. The Crumpf Grover. Excuse me, no grenada out, whatever you say. Oh, it's a hand grenade launcher. You fucking what, son? Is that what you're trying to say to me? Hand grenade launcher! Okay, I'm gonna save this, because this is pretty good. I didn't read anything about it, though, unfortunately. Because I was too busy rushing around trying to find some health. See that, and then they give me health right here, like this. It's like, hey, you wanted health, didn't you? Guess what? There's 40 there. Is there a dedicated grenade button by any chance? If there is, I don't actually know what it is yet. What the hell is that? Oh, health. Armor. Ameh. Oh, meh. Oops, I don't do that. So what happens if I fall in the water? Game over. That'd be so funny. So wait, I'm supposed to go on this thing actually, by looking at what I'm looking at. 20 bullets for the handgun. Let me just explore up here a second. Right. Because there is stuff along here. Oh, I had to put the bridge up, then get in the boat. Gold bars though. Gold bars! Oh, this is where I was earlier. And the thing's falling down. Harabisho. Rubbish. Oh, rubbish. Right, let's carry on, John. Carry on, John. Vote. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, calm down, calm down. Chill your beans, calm your beans, chill yourself. Fucking hell. I had to do that to myself then because I was fucking scared, mate. I'm just getting headshots for days, mate. Headshot, bam, 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 bam. What are you throwing grenades at me for? Fool. Okay, trying to change weapon, I think. I don't know who's shooting me. Oh, there's a guy right there. Wow, so that goes from easy to hard, fast. Into Wolfenstein Keep. Okay, so I'm on 100 of everything. I don't know what the grenade button is. Oh, I'm guessing it's Y actually, thinking about it. Wait, I can press X on the grenades. Can I pick them up? Can I throw them back? Grenade! Okay, why is not that? Am I stupid or something? What the fuck does this do? I can put them in burst mode. Oh, so if I got, just say, a single pistol out, then I press up, I dual wield them. Okay, okay. I get that. I don't know how to throw grenades. I seriously don't know how to throw grenades. I don't know how to throw grenades. I need help trying to throw grenades. No, it wasn't that. Cover. Oh, so you tap it to throw grenade and you hold it for the weapon wheel. Oh shit, son. Oh shit. I did want to save this, but I want a shotgun back, actually. So wait, if I do this, can I just... Ah, okay, I'm on this. No, I like this. Burst. Oh, let me just dodge your bullets like a Matrix man. Then do that to you. I'm so sorry. It was rather rude of me. I know. But, you know, shit's gotta be done, son. Shit's gotta be done. Oh, there's stuff everywhere. Hoop! Shot me. Hoop! Shot me. Oh, I took him out. Or not. Okay. Have a grenade. Bye, I'm gone. Oh, shit. No, I'm not. Now I'm back. I'm fucking... Somehow there was a guy behind me as well. So. The best plan of action, I think, then, is to get the shank and just fucking book it, mate. I'm fucking gone, son. I'm fucking gone. Wait, let me just get these grenades. Oh, I've already got them. Okay. Go! Drive the boat! Go! Yeah, so run into the boat was the best thing to do because they were fucking destroying me. I'm still pretty destroyed now. What the fuck are these things? They look like little mouses. Like, what's that guy's name? The weird guy. The DJ dude. Dead mouse. I don't know what that guy was doing. Is this boat getting faster? Yeah, picking up speed, son. No, there's like... Wow, that was... that was fucking tickly, whatever that was. My throat just went... Right. Let's take out these fools. Booshka. What's down there? Anything nice? Oh, there's a lot of dudes out there. Boom. Boom. I should let my gun cool down. These guys are getting taken out. So they came back. You little bastards. Yeah, fucking shoot me, whatever. I don't care. Can't shoot old guns. No. So now we're going into. Do you mind? Come on now. Don't make me quickscope you with this bad boy gun right here. Are you ready? Zip. No, okay. Can I get back on it? Yes. Oh, I took it off. I actually wanted to get on this, but you know, this is the ladder you need to climb up. It takes you to nowhere. The ladder of despair is what they call it. So why did I... Right, these cutscenes don't run very well. Well, they're just not compressed very well. It's just a video. It's not in-game. So now the boat's going down. Quick, jump in. Kick that mouse in. There's a rat. The rat jumped in. Fuck me. Can rats swim? Can rats swim? Does it automatically save, or do you just save? See, I had this problem with the old one, man. The old one was weird. Return to Castle was... Oh yeah, 2 of them now. Because I had what you might call a bootleg version of Return to Castle Wolfenstein. And it was weird, man. You never know when it saves and when it doesn't. I pressed X on that. I would like to go this way, but it seems that I'm going a different way. Oh my god. Hitboxes, eh? Collision. The fuck are you doing? The fuck? Who are you trying to fucking spook? Better not be me, because you ain't spooking nobody, son. Okay, that one's done. You're taken out, and now I'm gonna take. Oh, you can press X to get on it, or hold X to dismount it. I'm keeping this then, because there's guys fucking everywhere. See what I mean? See what I mean? See what I got to deal with here? It's my first day on the job, and I'm already getting shot at by everyone. I think I would have been better off if I just mounted this gun. Will you fuck off? There's so many guys. I'm just picking stuff up now. Okay, picking up my goodies. Oh, throwing knife. Press that to throw a throwing knife. I gotta pick it back up again. So, do I just throw this knife? Oh no, it's separate.